In the sultry summer of AD 64, while most of Rome lay sleeping under a moonlit sky, a merciless blaze began its assault on the city. Homes crumbled, lives were lost, and by dawn, the eternal city had transformed into a theater of chaos and destruction. This infernal event would forever be remembered as the Great Fire of Rome. The Great Fire consumed Rome for 6 enduring days, leaving a trail of ash and ruin in its wake. While many were quick to blame fate, others whispered of a more sinister culprit, the Roman Emperor Nero. Nero, a man whose reign was marked by opulence and eccentricities, had no shortage of critics or enemies. As flames danced ominously under a sky choked with smoke, rumors began to unfurl. Some neighborhoods were untouched by flames, guarded by soldiers allegedly under Nero's command. Many wondered why some areas had been spared while others were left to burn. In the aftermath of the destruction, souls displaced and hungry pointed to Nero's cavernous eyes that seemed to glint with satisfaction as he promised the rebuilding of Rome. The public suspicion was further fueled by the emperor's ambitious plans to erect a grand palace, the Domus Aurea, on the charred lands where Roman homes once stood. It was a palace that would rival any before it, a manifestation of both Nero's architectural vision and his despotic vanity. But was Nero truly the architect of Rome's fiery devastation? While historical accounts are divided, Nero's response to the tragedy further muddied the waters. Instead of addressing the concerns of his citizens, he shifted blame to the Christians, a sect that was gaining momentum in Rome but remained largely misunderstood and marginalized. It was a convenient scapegoat, ensuring their persecution under Roman law and quelling any murmurs of discontent against Nero himself. Despite the potent combination of suspicion and slander, there remains scant concrete evidence to support the notion that Nero masterminded the Great Fire. Historians have long debated whether this disaster was the result of malevolence or simply a tragic misfortune that befell a bustling metropolis. In the years following the fire, Rome would rise from its ashes, quite literally, as Nero charged forward with his grand reconstruction projects, leaving behind a legacy stained by both artistic ambition and tyranny. The Great Fire of Rome and Nero's possible involvement in its inception continue to be a source of intrigue and speculation, conjuring images of power unchecked and hubris incarnate. Thus, the story of the Great Fire of Rome is not merely a tale of destruction, but a chapter in the enduring narrative of ambition, power, and the eternal quest for immortality that defined the reign of one of Rome's most enigmatic emperors.